In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Overlay in-game. The Steam Overlay lets you bring essential Steam tools right on top of your game without alt-tabbing, so you can stay immersed while chatting, checking guides, or grabbing a quick screenshot. First, let's make sure the overlay is enabled. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu and choose Settings. In the sidebar, select the In-Game section. Here, turn on the option called Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. This switch is the key. Without it, nothing will open once you're in a game. Take a quick look at the default overlay shortcut shown on this page as a reminder. When you're done, close the settings window to return to Steam. Now, open any game you play through Steam. Once you're in and everything has loaded, press Shift plus Tab on your keyboard. That's the default shortcut to bring up the overlay. You'll see a semi-transparent interface slide in over your game. Your game keeps running in the background, and you can navigate the overlay with your mouse and keyboard. When you want to go back, press Shift plus Tab again, or click back into your game window. Inside the overlay, you have a lot of helpful tools at your fingertips. You can chat with friends without minimizing your game, so it's easy to coordinate strategies or just say hi. If you're setting up a session, you can send game invites directly from your friends list, which saves time and keeps everyone in sync. There's a built-in web browser for quick lookups. Think walkthroughs, patch notes, or a fast check on a quest objective, so you don't have to leave the game to search. You can check your achievements and see your progress in real time, which is great if you're chasing a specific milestone. Notes are available too, letting you jot down reminders, codes, or a to-do list and keep them handy. Screenshots are supported through the overlay, making it easy to capture moments and review them on the spot. And if you're stuck, you can open player-made guides right there, so help is always just a couple of clicks away. That's all there is to it. Enable the overlay in Steam's in-game settings, then press Shift plus Tab while playing to bring it up, and use those integrated tools to stay informed, connected, and efficient without ever leaving your game. Enjoy your session, and have fun using the Steam overlay exactly when you need it.